In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see page views on Mixpanel. Before we get into the process, there's one important thing to keep in mind. The page views option is only available if you're using a paid Mixpanel plan. So if you follow these steps and don't see the page views event listed, the most likely reason is that your workspace doesn't currently have access to that feature. It's a good idea to check your plan first so you know what to expect. To begin, open Mixpanel and go to one of your boards. This is where you'll be adding a report so you can view the data you need. Once you're inside the board, look through the page and scroll down until you find the option to add new content. The reason we're starting from a board is that this gives you a clean place to build and organize the report without needing to navigate through multiple separate sections. When you see the Add Content button, click on it. A menu will appear with different content types that you can insert into the board. From that menu, choose Insights Report. This is the report type you need because it allows you to explore and visualize event-based data, including page-related activity when it's available on your account. After the Insights report opens, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll see a setting labeled Metric. Go ahead and click there. This section controls which event or measurement the report is based on, so this is the key place where you'll define what you want to track. Next, choose the Event tab. This will show you the list of available events that your Mixpanel setup can report on. If your account includes the required paid plan, you should see page views listed among those events. Once you find it, select it to use page views as the metric for your Insights report. At that point, Mixpanel will let you analyze page view activity directly from the board. If you don't see page views in the event list, remember that this usually points back to plan availability rather than something you did wrong in the setup. That's the full process for seeing page views on Mixpanel. It's a simple workflow. Once you know where to look, open a board, add content, create an Insights report, go to Metric, switch to the Event tab, and select Page Views if your paid plan supports it.